How to turn on or turn off blank LED on Snapchat app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable blank LED option on Snapchat easily. So first thing you have to do, go to Snapchat. Now this is the home page, as you can see right here. Go to the top corner and click on your profile picture. Now after you see this page, go to the top corner again and click here. Now all what you have to do is just scroll down until you find notifications. Click on notifications and now go down again until you find the blank LED option, and right here you can disable it or enable it as you want, easily and fast. Please, if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.